This video I'm going to keep short and sweet. I'm going on vacation this Friday. I'm going to try to pump out the video before that. I'm going to have to keep it shorter so I can keep the quality better. And of course, while talking about quality, can y'all hear that? I don't know if you're going to hear that. I'm really sorry if you hear any hammering or knocking. They're doing renovations on my apartment and they're working on my building right now. I walked into my apartment today after work and there was dirt everywhere, all over my bed, all over my desk. They knocked it off the ceiling and walls. They were hammering so hard. It really upset me, and to get back at them while they were working, I made sure to try to make as much noise as I possibly could. And in doing so, it gave me the idea for this video. I'm going to make a small pistol grip type mount for my camera so I don't drop it constantly. I'm getting really tired of holding the camera by the flip out screen and the lens, and I feel like I'm going to mess something up. In addition to doing that, I'm also going to do a couple chores. I can take you along with me, maybe practice getting some cool B-roll shots at 120 frames per second. The burgers in the last video looked pretty cool, which if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I made a plug and play type wireless charger for my friend's headset. So this is about the size of grip that I want to go for. It's a Sony VCT grip. It cost $100. I'm going to try to make it less than that. For the time being, I'm going to go ahead and just make the single grip, and I can just easily hold onto the camera. I still have quarter 20 bolts that I used in my first video to make my camera mount. I'll just throw that in. That's what's going to be holding the camera to the actual grip. Solid works. Solid works. Instead of just speeding up this little window that I'm into, like last time where I watched my head spaz all around, I thought I'd talk to the camera for a second. As you can tell, I'm a new YouTuber and very open to suggestions. Feel free to leave a comment of something you'd like to see, if you'd like to hear me talk about the engineering courses I took in college, nerd, a day in the life of a mechanical design engineer, which is my day job, maybe growing up on a farm, or even project suggestions. What I'm trying to get across is that I listen and am very interested in what you have to say and what your thoughts are on my videos. I already had a couple people comment on Reddit or on YouTube suggesting maybe show the product I'm making at the beginning of the video so people know what they're getting into instead of having to wait for the first minute and a half, which is what I'm hopefully doing in this video because I'm still filming in order. I get such a rush when I see that someone left a like or a comment, or even when the view count goes up, and I go freaking crazy whenever I see that someone subscribed. Seriously, my channel is so small right now. Like, if you thought about my channel as a business and if subscribes were shares, you know, you could own maybe a 20th of this company, which is me, for free, which is pretty cool. That'd be nice. I'm not selling myself, that was an analogy. So yeah, if you like these videos, make sure to subscribe or at least like and comment. Seriously, comment below. I respond to every single comment. My channel's small enough now that I can say that, and I'm gonna do that as long as I can. And I appreciate every single one of you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so this is where we're at now. I've got the handle, as you can see. I'm gonna have to knock out the bridging in the middle. This piece is where the bolt is gonna go. Oh hell yeah, look at that. Nice. It's actually gonna go this way. And this piece. Again, you're gonna have to knock out the bridging. It's gonna go kind of like my camera mount. In here, bolt going through. Okay, it's pretty stiff, but that's good. That's what I wanted. And there we go. This little bolt piece is now just gonna get glued, super glued on top of this. I'm so proud at how that came together. How tight of a fit that is. Just got a little bit of sandpaper. I'm gonna do it off camera just so I don't get this dirty. Got it sanded down pretty nice from this kind of finish to this. Not too bad. So the issue that I just thought of is if this bolt and the number of threads that are sticking out of this side are not the perfect amount to tighten the camera down onto, where the camera's pointing straight, that could be an issue, because if the camera's not perfectly straight on this, then there's no point of having it swivel. I'm gonna need to take the camera off, tighten this down, and I'll just mark with a pen or marker where make sure it points straight so it can still swivel. I want to make sure that the camera can always sit in a position that it can swivel back and forth. Now with the current mount that I have on, it's not that big of a deal because I can just take off the mount, adjust the bolt. They're two separate pieces, but this, since I'm fixing the bolt, I need to make sure that it's always forward. I went ahead and put a little pin mark here. That's the front where those two pieces glue up, and just in case the bolt falls out, I have it marked there.
man, I got some on the freaking thing. Not too shabby, eh? I like it. Now time to test it on the camera. Hey, I got it working. Sweet. If I loosen this. Heck yeah, it works. Nice. Ooh. Okay, cool. I got this thing working. It turns out to be pretty decent. I'm most likely going to use it this weekend when I go to vacation. Thank you all very much for watching until the end of this video. Like I said before, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more, and of course, comment down below whatever you liked, whatever you didn't like. I promise I'll respond, and like I said, thank you for watching, and y'all have a great day.